Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your phone at Walmart. First, understand that Walmart operates a trade-in program for various electronics, including many cell phone models. Before heading to the store, it's a good idea to visit Walmart's trade-in website. There, you can quickly check if your specific phone model is eligible and get an estimated trade-in value. This preliminary step helps you set realistic expectations and ensures a smoother in-store experience. Before you trade in your phone, thorough preparation is crucial to protect your personal data and ensure a successful transaction. Start by backing up all your important information, like cherished photos and essential contacts, to a cloud service or another device. Next, perform a complete factory reset to wipe all personal data from the phone. Don't forget to remove your SIM card and any external memory cards. Finally, give your phone a good clean, removing any accessories. Once your phone is ready, head to the electronics department at your local Walmart. A trained store associate will carefully inspect your device, checking its physical condition and functionality. They will then verify its eligibility for the trade-in program. Based on their assessment, they will present you with a final trade-in offer. If you accept, you will receive the trade-in value on an electronic Walmart gift card, which you can use for future purchases. To ensure a smooth trade-in experience, remember a few key points. Trade-in values are not fixed. They depend heavily on your phone's model, age, and overall condition. Always bring your phone fully charged, as the associate will need to power it on for evaluation. You will also need a valid government-issued photo identification to complete the transaction. The trade-in value is typically issued as a Walmart electronic gift card, which is convenient for future shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.